Alright, y'all. Another busy day in the wonderland of savages. And about to head to my uncle's warehouse, pick up some more ingredients. And I'm actually going to my mom's house tonight. So lots gonna happen in between then, so just hang tight. On the way to my uncle's, I realized that it's like 11:15 in the morning and I have not yet had any caffeine or my first cup of coffee. So I'm at Starbucks to remedy that right now. Ooh, it's amazing what a cup of coffee will do to a man. My truck does not have very good e-brake, as you can tell. Alright, so we're at my uncle's warehouse now. I'm about to load up on some ingredients. Alright, we got the pallet all loaded up. Mark's not here right now, he's at lunch. So I'm sitting at his desk. Man, Marco, you got a messy desk. Uncle Mark, you gotta get that cleaned up, buddy. But I got a call right now. Somebody's gonna call me. We're gonna work on getting some Keto Savage branded apparel. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna take some notes right now. I'll let you know if I learn anything.
Robert.
Evan, what's going on, man?
How are you?
I'm doing great. How you doing? Another pallet in the truck. Alright, y'all, I was gonna wait to start microdosing this ketone ester until after I got back from traveling this weekend, but I think I'm just gonna go for it now and just start today or yesterday. So 15 milliliters this time. Here we go. Woo! I've got one of our crew out there, Trish, is working on the keto bricks. I'm gonna have her take a slug of this and see what she thinks. Get her facial expression on camera. Right now I'm cooking up some ground beef. I'm gonna go to the gym and train arms in about 2 hours. Alright, Trish here. She got 20 milliliters. She's never had ketone ester before. Ready to rumble?
No.
I got faith in you.
Just down it.
Just down it.
Like a shot.
Yep.
Ugh.
Not too
Not
bad,
as bad
huh?
as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. Let me know if you feel any different in about 20 minutes or so.
What am I going to feel like doing?
You're gonna sprout wings and have superpowers?
Lift heavier?
Yeah. One of the other recommendations for working at Keto Brick is you have to be a trained cosmetologist, so that I can get a haircut when I'm off the job here. What are we doing today, Trish? How you gonna cut it?
He may not say that to me after I finish this. He may say you're fired.
No, she's not fired. I've got full faith in her. She's gonna do good.
It's hair, it'll grow back.
Yeah. Boom, much better. Check that out, y'all. Got my ears back. Can't stand it when my hair is growing into my ears. Drives me crazy. Alright, y'all, so if you remember a few vlogs back, one of the people I correspond with, they sent Chris and I this big box full of all kind of goodies with like books and like bookmarks in the books of like specific, points to read. Just super sweet, above and beyond thoughtful. Well, she just sent me another little gift box, and she's just an angel. Like, look at this, y'all. Shoot for the stars is what the cover says. My middle name's Orion, which is a constellation of stars, so very thoughtful there. And she must have like saw in a vlog that I'm into Indians and whatnot, so we have a book on native voices, so Native American, I haven't opened it up yet, so I'm not exactly sure what it is, but something relating to Native Americans. We have this like super good smelling herb tea blend, like chai, cinnamon, smells super good. We have like a little cabin incense burner, like a little incense in there. Campfire memory scents. We have like a little tea bag thing, and then BioFreeze from a marathon, and then this thing which she was telling me about, but I'm not really sure what exactly is. A Fomentec hot water bottle and cold pack. So I guess you just fill it up full of whatever you want it to, hot or cold water, and then it just conforms to whatever ailing body parts you have, which is pretty freaking cool. Honestly, like, this is just super thoughtful. Loretta, you're amazing. You're an angel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can't thank you enough. Honestly, like, the thoughtfulness that people show Crystal and I don't know what we did to deserve it, but it means the world to us. So, thank you. Right now, I'm gonna go train some arms. So, head to the gym right now. Again, I don't think I'm gonna be filming because Crystal is not here, and I'm kind of pressed for time. So, I'm just gonna go in there and bang out some bicep and tricep exercises. Catch you in a few. Back from the gym, killed biceps and triceps, and I even threw in some quad extensions and hamstring curls because I didn't have a super good leg workout prior to the marathon, and I'm not going to be able to work out legs until I get back from this wedding. So I want to get a little bit of blood flow in the legs, so felt really good there. Now I'm going to go drop Jack off at my granny's because she's going to watch Jacko while we're at the wedding, and then I'm going to head to Mom's house, meet my brother there, and take it from there. So let's see each other at my mom's house. That was a weird way to end that clip. So I'll see you in a little bit. Dropped off Jack. Now we're back at the house. We got all the puppy dogs. What are y'all growling at? Easy, killer. Wag those tails.
Hi, baby.
We got Mom. How's you doing, Mama?
Baby, I'm good.
We're having bratwurst tonight. My brother Tyler is the master griller tonight, and he's going to demonstrate how to properly get a charcoal grill going. By the way, if y'all don't know what a proper chimney starter is, that is a beast of a chimney starter.
It does the job, that's for sure.
Does the job.
Good heavens, a sale at Penny!
Mom said we only have 2 brats each.
Two?
I didn't grab anything.
We're on a diet here.
I'm on a diet here. Tyler needs to eat more. What are you weighing at, Tyler?
I don't know, I weigh more than what I did.
115?
Oh. 160.
160?
Yeah, more than what I did.
Check out the ingenuity Tyler's got going on there. You have a lighter?
Possibly.
Possibly.
Yeah, I do.
The skills. I've taught him everything he knows, y'all.
Taught me nothing. I don't know a thing, man.
Smoking. Alright, y'all, so we're at Mom and Dad's house. Dad is... Where's Dad?
Washington State.
He's in Washington State. He's in Spokane, so he's up there where Crystal is,
No, he's
coincidentally.
all over the state.
But he's gonna fly in and meet us there. We got some sausage. We got some bratwurst. We got some old cube steak that I'm about to eat. That's what I'm eating. Mom's eating some dog food.
I don't think so. We're going to be gone for a little... No, I shouldn't even say that. But anyway, the dogs have their diet. It's all keto.
What do our dogs eat?
Belle is the female. Arcana, which is an
Arcana?
awesome dog food. Very, very... It's straight keto.
Is it not the Canady that you used to use?
No. Because we couldn't buy Canidae in pallets. And this we can buy in pallets. So this is a Belle size. Rhett, who's my 1-year-old pup that's still growing.
There's Belle. Look at that feathering.
Yeah. She's
All that
wet.
fluff. She's missing her teeth.
That's because she got bit by a snake when she had puppies. Anyway, this is Rhett's. He gets
A lot
this
more.
is daily ration. The thing about this food is, and this isn't an advertisement for the food, but they use all of it. There's very little poop. It's very well used. No waste product in here hardly.
I didn't know I'd be getting a lecture on poop in today's vlog.
Yeah. Anyway, it's very good stuff, and it makes them very, very healthy.
Well, she looks like she likes it.
She loves it.
Tyler's burning the house down over here.
Oh, yeah. Alright, you're gonna have to flip that. We'll pick it up.
I've got to flip it.
We'll pick it up at least. I don't have 4 hands.
Alright. Mount this here. We're going to be getting acrobatic, y'all. Probably burn my camera down. I'll flip it. You grab that?
Yeah. Take it off. There we go.
Boom, chakalaka.
That's not hot, is it? Damn.
Brats and sausages.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Burning the brats out there.
Wait
Look
a
at
minute,
this.
man.
Look at this.
Robert burned them, and they're a brat.
Tyler's burning the
Pork
brats.
It's a brat pork rind combo. It's
We got Chef Mom in here cooking some. What we got over here, Mama?
Turnip greens.
Turnip greens.
Mm-hmm.
Like Popeye?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that shirt. I got Robert being Popeye when you were younger.
Yeah. I'm trying to get guns like you.
I wish I had a
Right.
YouTube account. Robert's
Alright, y'all. This is what happens when Tyler mans the grill.
Robert, man up to it.
Not gonna lie, y'all. I burnt this. Moral of the story. Do not check email and cook brats at the same time.
All we have in this house is keto, so I took 2 brats and put in tortilla. What do you do?
That looks appetizing, Tyler.
Oh,
Take a
yeah.
bite. Take a bite. Oh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. The end of the night is upon us. We finished our brats that I burnt. I'm gonna go to bed. Tyler's gonna go to bed. Mom's gonna go to bed. We're gonna hit the road
Speak for yourself.
and go to Georgia in the morning. Get ready.